Hello students, welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to discuss about practical geometry, under which I'll tell you that how to do the basic geometrical constructions. Whenever you have to use a compass, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that is length of the pencil. So length of the pencil, it must be lesser than the length of your compass, and you have to use a sharpened pencil. Okay. Now, let's start our topic. First question is, draw a circle of radius 5 cm with the same center. Draw two more circles of radii 3 cm and 2 cm respectively. So here, first of all, we have to draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Radius 5 cm means we have to open our compass 5 cm. For that, you have to use the scale. So here this is 5, then open your compass up to 5 cm from 0 to 5. Here this is the measurement of 5 cm. Now put the pin of this steel part, pin of your compass on the sheet and draw a circle. Whenever you have to use a compass, keep in mind that you have to use this tail part. Okay, you have to hold the compass from here, then insert the pin point of your compass in the page. Okay, hold it tightly, then rotate the compass in this way. If it seems to be difficult, then you can rotate your notebook also. In this way, you can rotate your page or the sheet or the notebook, whatever you are using at that time, around this point. This point is called center of the circle. So darken it. So this is the first part of our question. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Here, draw the radius, this 5 cm. Now come to the second part of the question. With the same center, draw two more circles of radii 3 and 2 cm. It means now we will open our compass 3 and 2 cm, and then taking the same center, we have to draw a circle. Here you have to open your compass 2 cm. This is 2. With the same center, draw the circle. Again, I am going to rotate the page. So this is another circle with the same center with radii 2 cm. So this is the radius of the second circle. Now coming to the third one, here we have to open the compass 3 cm. Then again we have to use the same center. Again put the pin of your compass here and draw the circle. Or rotate this. Then mark the radius over here. Now you have to label it. So let its center be O. This is radius OA of the biggest one, that is 5 cm. Then the radius should be 3. So this is B. It's 3 cm. And C. This is 2 cm. So this is our first question. There is one more part of the question, that is, what special name do you give to these circles. So whenever you are drawing two or more than two circles with the same center, then such circles are called concentric circles. So these circles are called concentric circles. Now moving to the second question. Here the question is that draw a circle of any radius. Any radius means you can open your compass up to any measure. Draw any two of its diameters. Join the ends of these diameters. What figure do you obtain? Here two cases will arise. Case 1, when the diameters are perpendicular to each other, and case 2, when the diameters are not perpendicular to each other. Since the radius is not given, so open your compass to any measure and draw two different circles for these two parts, two different cases. So here rotate the page or the sheet, then draw another circle for the second case with the same radius. You can change the radius also as it is not given. Okay, so these are the two center points of these two different circles. Now taking the first case, when the diameters are perpendicular. So first of all, draw the diameter. Diameter is a segment that joins two endpoints on the circumference, and it must passes through the center. So this is the definition of the diameter. In both the parts, both the cases, we have to draw the diameter. So I am doing both the parts side by side. Okay. So now case 1, here the diameters, when the diameters are perpendicular. For the perpendicular diameters, we can use this D to draw the perpendicular diameters. Okay, just mark a point using this D, then draw the perpendicular diameters. Since it is given that we have to join the end points of these diameters, so with the help of a scale, just join the end points. And the last one. Yes. So let these two diameters be AB and CD, this being the center of the circle. So what figure do you obtain? In case 1, since you can see here we have drawn two perpendicular by diameters. Now let's check each angle of this shape. So here, as you can see, it is of 90 degree. Since in any quadrilateral, if any one of the angles is of 90 degree, it means the other angles are also 90 degree. And when all the four angles of any quadrilateral measure 90 degree and the diameters are also perpendicular, okay, then that is called a square. Diameter means here these are the two diagonals. Okay, So here, what figure do we obtain? So here, ADBC or ACBD, you have to label it clockwise or anti-clockwise. So it's clockwise. ACBD is a square. In short, we can say a square figure is obtained. Now coming to the second case, here when the diameters are not perpendicular, since the diameters are not perpendicular, so no need to use a D, just simply draw another diameter of the circle, then join the endpoints of these diameters one by one. Join these two also. And this one. Now again a quadrilateral is obtained. Now let's check each angle of the quadrilateral. Here, since one angle is 90 degree of this quadrilateral, so another three angles are also of 90 degree. But because the diameters, or you can say diagonals, are not perpendicular, so this figure which is obtained over here, that is a rectangle. So let it be PQRS. So here PRQS is a rectangle, or you can say a rectangle is obtained. Coming to the third question, here draw two circles of equal radii. Again the radii are not given. Radii is a plural of radius, with centers A and B, such that each one of them, of the two circles, each one of these two circles passes through the center of the other. So here, since centers of these two circles are A and B, and the circles must pass through the center of the other circles. Okay, so it will be like this. Suppose this is a circle, first circle with center A, and this is the radius of circle. Then another circle is containing B as center, and it must passes through the center of the other. So our figure will be like this. It means here the radius will be common in both the circles. Now let's start it. So just mark a segment of any length then open your compass equals to the measurement of this segment. Okay, this one. Now taking these two endpoints as center, draw two circles one by one on by taking these two as center. So just you have to rotate the page to draw this circle. Now shift your pencil to the other end, here put it here, and draw another circle. Look, it is passing through the center of the circle that we have already drawn. So here is the figure. This is the center of first circle, that is center A. This is B of equal radii. Radius of this circle was equals to AB. And what is the radius of this circle? That is also AB or BA. then such that each one of them passes through the center of the other. Mark the points where they intersect each other at as CD, not at, it's as CD. So let this point be C and this being D. Examine whether AB is perpendicular to CD. Perpendicular means whether these two segments are at right angle. To check this, first of all, we have to join points C and D. So with the help of scale, just join these 2 points. Now with the help of D, you have to check the measurement of the angle over here. So here it's of 90 degree. Just mark the angle, sign of the angle over here. So what is here? As we have to examine that whether these are perpendicular. So you will write down, yes, AB is perpendicular to CD. Let this point be O. So why? Since angle AOC, BOC, AOD or BOD, you can use any angle. Okay, so that is 90 degree. So this is the figure for the third question. Now let's move to the fourth question. Draw a circle of any radius. Again, any radius means we can open our compass up to any measure. Then we have to divide its circular region into 6 equal sectors. Since we can open our compass up to any measure, so I have opened this without measuring that what is the radius. Okay, then draw a circle. You have to hold the tail only, and these two should be at equal level. Okay, here you can see these are at equal level. Okay, now since we have to divide its circular region, what is the circular region? The area or the space that is bounded by the circumference of the circle, that is called circular region. Now whenever you have to divide the circular region of a circle in 6 equal sectors, then keep only one thing in your mind, that you have to keep the radius. You can't change the radius. Okay, whatever the radius you have taken in the beginning, you have to take the same. Now put the pin of your compass at any point on the circumference. Okay, then mark an arc over here. So this is the starting point. Then come to this arc, again mark another point. So 1, 2, 3. Then this is first, second, third, and this is the fourth arc, fifth, and the starting point, that was the sixth one. Okay, now join all these points with the center. Join these 2 points. So here I am joining the opposite points. So after joining all these points, or after drawing these 3 diameters of the circle, you will see that you have divided the circular region in 6 equal sectors. First, this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So these are the 6 equal sectors of the of the circle. So that's all in this session. In the next one, we'll discuss about how to draw perpendiculars on a line from a point which is given on the line, which is not given on the line. So don't forget to join me in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.